English medium and 11th class, complement of set. Universal. U is a universal set of A. And A is a subset of U. Universal. Then the complement of set is A dash barabar U minus A. For example has का if U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 and set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7. Then A dash is equals to U minus A. U minus A, A dash, U में से A के एलिमेंट्स को हटा दो. Remove the elements of set A from U. Remove the element of set A from U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remove हो गई तो बचा क्या 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And similarly B dash is equals to U minus B. A dash is equals to U minus A and B dash complement of B, complement of A represented by dash. So B is equals to U minus A. To remove the elements of set B from universal set. So 4, 5, 6 को remove करेंगे 7 को क्या बच गया 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. This is B dash. और इनका Venn diagram and Venn diagram of A dash and B dash. तो देख universal set, set A and set B common element is 4. A और B में common element है 4 तो 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Set A and set B. A dash यानी U minus A. तो A को हटा दीजिए U में से. A के एलिमेंट्स को छोड़ के जो बचेगा remove the part of circle A from the remaining part shaded is called A dash. ये A dash बराबर U minus A. तो shaded the portion of rectangle excluding A and B dash. Similarly B dash universal set A and B for 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and B dash and U minus B shaded the whole rectangle part remaining B. ये अपना सेट हो गया B dash. ये complement of set A and B तो complement of set universal set is also given when complement of any set ask you. Then U is the universal set, set A is a subset तो A dash बराबर U minus A. ये इसका U minus A roster form and Venn diagram. roster form और Venn diagram में U minus A आपको यह क्या करना यूनिवर्सल सेट में से A के एलिमेंट्स 1, 2, 3, 4 हटा दिए क्या बचा 5, 6, 7, 8. B dash के लिए रिमूव द एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट B फ्रॉम U. 4, 5, 6 को रिमूव किया 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. ये है यूनिवर्सल कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ सेट A. Some properties of complement set. A union A dash is equals to universal set. Union of set A and its complement is equals to universal. Intersection of A and A dash is equals to phi and De Morgan's law है complement of A union B is equals to A dash intersection B dash और A intersection B का dash A dash union B dash and complement of phi is equals to universal set. universal, and complement of universal set is also 5. De Morgan rules law, कुछ भी कह लीजिए, De Morgan law are very useful to exercise class 12 for probability and other exercises. This is De Morgan law. Verify the De Morgan law when given sets A, B. Set A and B are given, then verify the left hand side equals to right hand side by set क्लस्टर फॉर्म. और इनको वेरीफाई के लिए आपको एयर भी दे रखा होगा, उसके बाद वेरीफाई करवाएंगे.